I was a highwayman, on the coach roads I did ride, sword and pistol by my side. Many a young maid lost her vows to my trade, many a soldier shed his lifeblood on my blade. The bastard hung me in the spring of 25, but I'm still alive. I was a sailor, and I was born upon the tide. The sea I did abide, sailed the schooner around the Horn of Mexico. When I loved to flow, the mainsail in a blow. When the yards broke off, they said that I got killed, but I'm still living still. I was a gambler, across this river deep and wide, still the water did divide. A place called Boulder on the wild Colorado, slipped and fell into the weighted concrete pool. Then they buried me at the great tomb that knows no sound. I'm still around, just be around and around and around. Flew a starship across the universe divide. When I reached the other side, find a place to rest my spirit if I can. Perhaps I may become a highwayman again, or simply be a simple drop of rain. Well, hi there pluckers, I saw fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. This is a song called Highwayman, and it's been covered by various artists, including Glenn Campbell I believe, and it was written by Jimmy Webb, I believe, who wrote a lot of hits for Glenn Campbell, but this is a version of the song done by a gentleman called the White Buffalo, and it's in standard tuning. It has no capo, and I'm doing it in the same key as the White Buffalo. Okay, so let's get to it. So it starts off with a B minor bar chord, okay, and the idea is you start off by hitting that second on the fifth string there, and then strum, right, and then lift the bar up on the bass strings and hit the open A string, and then put it back and play the B minor again. So it's like, so when you do that open at A string, strum the chord and then put the bar back and start all over again. Okay, got the idea? When you do that 3 or 4 times, you come in with the actual song. I was a highwayman, straight down to A, so B minor to A, okay? So I was a highwayman. Then you go to the G. On the coach roads I did, back to B minor. So you got I was a highwayman. On the coach roads I did ride. Then to A, the sword and G, pistol bang. Right, back to A. So far, from the intro, a couple of times. I was a highwayman on the coach road I did ride. Sword and pistol by my side. Okay, got the idea? And then we go into E minor to D. Many a D young maid, so E minor to D. Many a young maid lost her A, baubles to my G trade. Repeat that line again. Many a soldier shared his lifeblood on my blade. Okay, so let's go from the beginning again, a couple of intros and then into it slowly. I was a highwayman on the coach roads I did ride. Sword and pistol by my side. Many a young maid lost her baubles to my trade. Many a soldier shed his lifeblood on my blade. Right, the last two lines, B minor. Bastard hung me in the spring of 25. So that's B minor. The bastards A hung me in the G, spring of 28-5. Keep that going for another bar. Yes, so it's bastards hung me in the spring of 25. And it goes into D, but I am still alive. Quick change to D there. It's quite tricky to get that, but it's bastards hung me in the spring of 25. But I'm still alive. We go into the second verse and it plays exactly the same with different words. Okay, so right from the beginning, quick intro 2 times round and then we're in. Okay, slowly. I was a highwayman on the coach road I did ride. Sword and pistol by my side. Many a young maid lost her baubles to my trade. Many a soldier shed his lifeblood on my blade. The bastard hung me in the spring of 25. But I'm still alive. Next verse. I was a sailor. I was born upon the tide. With the sea I did abide. Sailed a schooner round the Horn to Mexico. When I locked it full the mainsail in a row. When the yards broke off they said that I got killed. I'm still here. Right, the third verse, exactly the same chords. I was a damned bird, across this river deep and wide. Steel and water did collide. In a place called Border on the wild Colorado. Slipped and fell into the wet creek concrete walls. Sorry, I should do that, sorry. Slipped and fell into the wet concrete below. Then they buried me in that grave tree that made no sound. And I'm still around. Right, on this one, it's got an extra line. Always be around. After it goes into that last line, where it goes, then they buried me in that grave tree that made no sound. I'm still around. Always be around and around. That's just B minor, A and G, yeah? Just have to go to, but I'm still around, but there's a sound, but I'm still around, I'll always be around and around and around. Stay there. Last verse. Through a starship, across the university line. When I reach the other side, find a place to rest my spirits if I can. Perhaps I may become a highwayman again. May simply be a simple drop of rain, but I will remain not back again. No, it wasn't, girls. So once you've got a verse under your belt, you've got the whole song really, apart from the little bit on the end of verse 3 and the bit on the end of verse 4. Okay, so thanks very much for listening. Hope that made sense to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.